Do not apologize. Stay focused because it is yours, your dream. Hello everybody. Today in this short 10-minute video, I am going to speak to you about a powerful truth. Enjoy the space you created. So let's begin. You know, the one I mean, that space you prayed for, you worked for, you sacrificed for, you built it, you designed it, you finally stepped into it, and for a moment it felt like a dream come true. But something shifted. Yes, something shifted. At first, you were proud. This space, this moment, this life, you made it happen. It was a vision brought to life by your own hands, your own heart. But then someone said something, a friend maybe, someone close perhaps. They didn't like it, they said. They didn't see what you saw. And suddenly, that space you created with so much love and care did not feel the same. Your joy began to fade. You questioned everything. Did I do the right thing, you said? Maybe it's not as beautiful as I thought it would be. This is what happens when we allow those people to walk into our dreams, even before it is becoming a reality. And then when it becomes a reality, they walk in and they simply tear it apart. This is where you have to get resilient. This is where you have to realize this thing. Let me remind you of something very powerful. Yeah, something extremely powerful. You know, you are not your friend. You are not your sibling. You are not your close friend. You're not your neighbor. You're not them. Your dream is not their dream. And we have to know that. So when they see we show and we open that thing that is so near and dear to us and we set it outside naked, not even covered slightly, we spill the whole bin, we tell them everything. And they take a knife and they put the dagger in the heart of it. So you have to remember these three powerful things that I want to say to you. You're not your friend. You're not that person. Your dream is not their dream. Your vision was never their vision to carry. No, it was never their vision. And that is perfectly okay, because the space you created is not for them. It's for you. You know, you bought a condo because that's what you felt like buying. You wanted the condo, or you wanted to live in the city. And we often forget that our creations, our decisions, our dreams, they don't need applause to be worthy. We gave them the life, we created them. They do not need anyone to tell us it's okay. They only need alignment with who we are becoming. The creator of dreams that materialize, that's who we are. So one of the things that sometimes we have to look at and wonder, why are we dependent on others to make decisions that affect us? So I have 5 lessons that you will learn and 5 remembers for your journey ahead. You need to know those 5 lessons. You have to go through them. You have to go through them so you remember them clearly. And if you do not remember them, at least think about them, which you will. So lesson number 1. Your dream is your dream. Your, in capital letters, your dream. It was given to you, birthed in the spirit of who you are. No one else will ever see it like you do. And that's not a flaw, that's a gift. So when you look at it, no one else is going to see your dream like you do. And it's okay, because it's not theirs. And it was only given to you to birth, and that you did. So be happy with that. Lesson number 2. If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here, and you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day. Yeah, lesson number 2. The only person who needs to feel the joy is you. Nobody else. Not your friend, not your cousin, not your neighbor scrolling through social media, just you. That is what is important. You are the only one that needs to see and to get it. The only person who needs to feel the joy of that space you created is you. Sometimes not even our significant other. If you're a man, you created a man's cave. Your spouse, if it's female, might not enjoy it. If you're female and you created that place, like I have this office that has the energy that's perfect for meditating, it belongs to me. Sometimes others get in there and they enjoy it, but not everybody does, and that's okay. Lesson number 3. Stop asking others what they think about your choices. Yeah, stop asking them, what do you think about the choices I have made? Why you want to stop doing that? Because the answer you get will always reflect their world, not yours. When you ask them to talk about your choices, you are allowing them to tell you about their world, not your world. So now, lesson number 4. Others people's opinion have nothing to do with your purpose. Other people's opinion have nothing to do with your purpose. Let me say that again. Their opinions have nothing to do with your dream. No one, nobody's opinion has anything to do with your dream. Lesson 5. Stand by your choices. You made the choice. Stand by it. Reflect on them, learn from them, but don't let the noise of the world shake what you know for sure is the true inside of you. Want to hear that again? Stand by your choices. Reflect on them. Learn from them. But don't let the noise of the world shake what you know to be true inside. So, reclaiming the space is not just that. You have to work at it. So now I say to you, reclaim your joy. Your space is your joy. Go back into the space you birthed. Go back into the space you built. You decorated, you created. Feel the heartbeat of the walls. For me, it's my pergola in the garden. I feel the heartbeat of the noise there. I feel it. I feel the space talking to me. Let the energy of your intention fill your chest again. Breathe and smile, because you created it. Feel the heartbeat of the air passing through that space. You made this not for them. No, you made this not for them, for you. Not for show, but for you, because your soul said, this is where I meant to be. Yes, your soul agreed. It said, I want to be there, Tessa-Marie. That's where I want to be. So enjoy it. Enjoy the space you created. Let it hold you. Let it grow with you. Let it remind you that your journey is sacred. And when someone walks in and doesn't understand, smile. Because they were never supposed to. Your dream belongs to you. Live fully. Live unapologetically. Do not apologize. Do not apologize. And always remember this. You're enough. You're powerful. And you're prospering. Until you see something different, do not apologize. Stay focused because it is yours, your dream. Live without apologizing for a change. Believe in your dream. That space, go back in there. Pour a glass of wine. Sit and enjoy the breeze. Open the window if it's indoors. Put on some smooth mood lighting if it's indoors. If it's outside, make sure you can put some plants of nature there and listen to the birds. They too want to enjoy your space. Have an amazing and wonderful day. Until next time, bye-bye.